Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Hyundai Tucson Limited in Bolton Silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 69,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5857A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.